Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my class sentence-based writing. Today we would like to discuss about combining sentence, but this is the part 1. Okay, let me see together how to use the descriptive word and shifter. As we know that descriptive word is the adjective. So when we would like to combine it, we can see for the example in this slide. Combine the following pairs of sentence, but remember to change the singular form of the verb or to be to the plural whenever it is necessary. For example, example 1. Josh learned how to sail. Rose learned how to sail, and then you will combine into the one sentence. So the combination is Josh and Rose learn how to sail. Example 2. Most people value loyalty. Most people value courage. Most people value honesty. So if we combine the three of the sentence above, become most people value loyalty, courage, and honesty. So all the three words become to the descriptive word or adjective. We learn more about the descriptive words. If we talk about descriptive word, it is an adjective. Adjective itself are descriptive words that change or modify our understanding of nouns. An adjective must occurs before the noun. It is modified or after the verb to be. So it means that kata sifat selalu diletakkan sebelum kata benda. Ya. Example, the hungry shark. The word hungry is adjective. The shark was hungry. The word hungry also adjective, but in this sentence, the sentence add by the word was, so it is to be the complete sentence or the simple sentence. Next, note catatan, adjective that describe quantity, for example, much, some, and many, occur only before the nouns they modify. I have many books. I don't have much time. I don't have much time. I have some money. Okay, so the word much, some, and many before the word noun. Many occurs before countable nouns atau kata benda yang bisa dihitung. For example, books, pencil, cars, bags, and bottles. Much occur before uncountable nouns. Much terjadi atau diletakkan sebelum kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. For example, milk, coffee, butter, sand, dirt, money, information, news, and etc. An adjective doesn't change its form when it modifies a plural noun. For example, the hungry sharks. The sharks were hungry. This is the example. When a noun is modified by more than one adjective, you must separate them. Adjective with comma. For example, the savage, hungry sharks. For example, the sharks swam beside the driver. The sharks were hungry. The shark swam beside the diver. The sharks were hungry. At the last sentence, the diver was nervous. So we combine the three sentences above become the hungry sharks swam beside the nervous diver. Descriptive word adjective. Beside adjective, descriptive word also is the adverb. For example, adverb mostly modify the entire sentence rather than any one word within it. Therefore, they can occur before the subject, sebelum subject. For example, carefully. The scientist repeated this experiment. So the word carefully is the adverb. After the subject, the scientist carefully repeated his experiment. So the word carefully become after the subject. After the object, the scientist repeated his experiment carefully. Between a verb and its indirect object, she sang sweetly to her son. The word, adverb is the word sweetly. And then the last adverb do not occur between a verb and its object. For example, she sang sweetly the song. The word sweetly also the adverb or descriptive word. Next, descriptive words ending in ing and ed. For example, the present participle of a verb, it's using ing form, and the past one using ed or bentuk ketiga. they also use as the adjective. So the descriptive word not only in adjective but also there are some kinds adverb and also the word adjective ending with ing and ed or verb bentuk ketiga. The regular verb to tire. And then the sentence, his work tires him. His work is tiring. He doesn't tiring work. Okay, sorry. The worker is tired. And then he is a tired worker. Irregular verb, to break. The branch breaks easily. The branch is breaking. There is a breaking branch. The branch is broken. There is a broken branch. And then we come to the shifter. What is shifter? Shifter are words or words group which are able to shift or move from one part of the sentence to another without changing the meaning of the sentence. And then shifters always modify the whole sentence. Shifter provide the sentence with extra information. For example, the first shifter, information about the time when an action takes place. For example, she drives home from work at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, she drives home from work. This is the shifter about the time when the action takes place, yaitu the word at 6 o'clock. Information about how often an action takes place. For example, she drives home from work every night. Every night she drives home from work. So the shifter is every night. Third, information about how long an action takes place. For example, she drives home from work in 45 minutes. In 45 minutes, she drives home from work. And this is, in 45 minutes is the shifter. Information about how an action takes place. She drives home from work carefully. Carefully, she drives home from work. So the word carefully is the shifter. Information about why an action takes place. She drives home from work because of the unreliability of public transportation. Because unreliability of public transportation, she drives home from work. Yeah, so the word because of the unreliability of public transportation is the shifter. Okay guys, now you would do the next discussion rewriting the word sentence-based writing and then do from practice 5 until the last. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.